Let's now look into details of each components of BAMS. First in the list, subject. Here you need to create a list of subjects you plan to conduct lectures for or are already doing so. You need to create subject list only once and can be reused for different masters or classes. Subjects cannot be duplicated. Subjects names once used can be modified but cannot be changed. For example, you can change marketing management to shorter marketing management, but not marketing management to Excel. Second in the list, masters. Here you create a master, also called as class. Subject has to be created before you create masters. Here you need to input academic details like college, course, semester, batch, division, subject, along with other details. Based on the information that you supply to BAMS, it will create a master ID as shown in the example below. College, Indian Institute of Marketing, which is abbreviated to IIM. Similarly, course, Bachelor of Business Administration, abbreviated to BBA. Semester, batch, division, subject. Please note, subject would be chosen from the list that we had created earlier. This will create a master ID with college, course, batch, semester, division, subject, and year. Please note that for year, BAM will pick up from the date on which you have created this master's entry. So today's year. Important to note and implement. You will need to create different masters for different subject, college, course, semester, division, batch. Since the combination of all these details will always differ from each other. Masters cannot be reused unlike subject. Master details once filled cannot be changed. Once created, they are final. Third in the list, timetable. You will need to create subject and masters before you can create a timetable. Here, you will need to create lectures based on weekdays assigned to you. For multiple lectures, use the facility of repeat and frequency. For timetable, you will need to repeat the process of creating repetitive lectures based on your daily, weekly, monthly schedules. Lectures can be adjusted or changed based on your requirements. Lectures cannot be removed once created. Next in the list, students. You will need to create subject and masters before you can assign students list. Here, you can assign the students to a given masters. There are two different methods for it. One, by uploading the students list, useful for bulk uploading. Two, adding single student at a time, useful for modifications. Once the students are assigned to a masters, they cannot be unassigned. Fourth in the list, scans. After all the mapping of subject, masters, timetable and assigning students, we are now ready for scanning the QR code. Scan means we are marking students' attendance in BAMS. QR code created by the students based on that PRN is scanned. PRN can also be roll numbers assigned to the students by the college. The point is to have a unique ID which can be their PRN or roll number for a given class. No matter how many times the student's QR code is scanned within a given lecture, their attendance will be marked only once for a one lecture. For marking attendance of 2 consecutive lectures, you need to take 2 different scans, but within each lecture's timings, not consecutive scans. So, 1 attendance for 1 lecture. Manual attendance of up to 5 students max can be taken, which will be a part of another video. Fifth in the list, reports. Once the scanning process starts, reports can be viewed in the reports section. There are various reports available to make tracking and monitoring easier for college administration and students' attendance performance. For example, how many lectures conducted so far? What is the attendance performance of a given student?